guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you my mascara routine. If you have eyes similar to mine, smaller almond shaped eyes or monolids, maybe this is something that could help you in your routine. I definitely have very straight eyelashes, so I wear a lot of fake eyelashes, so it already pulls off my natural lashes, I feel like. So I'm trying to avoid wearing fake eyelashes and just let my normal lashes show with my makeup. I think it looks very natural that way. My lashes go downwards on one side, and then the other side I feel like it's already naturally curled, but it's very short. So for mascara, I'm gonna use the Clinique, I think it's called the Naturally Glossy Mascara in Jet Black, and I also use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I love the packaging. This is in black. You can use Maybelline, so I know their Lash Sensational is really good. I used to use that. I'm gonna do one eye so you guys can see the big difference. You want to get an eyelash curler that fits your eyes. There are some that are way too curved. This one is like kind of a medium curve, if that makes sense. I got this from AliExpress, so it was really cheap. The one from Forever 21, I have tried that, but I feel like the curve is too big, so I can barely even fit my lashes when I clamp on it. You want to get a hair dryer. I know it's really intimidating, but I put on low heat and I heat up my lash curler, and you want to do it kind of far away so it's not burning it like a curling iron. And you want to be really careful because, you know, this is a hot product. And just feel it. Yeah, this is warm, so make sure it's clean. There's no lint or anything, so it doesn't get in your eyeball. And feel it with your finger, how it feels before you put it on, and just curl your eyelashes. I like to press and hold and then let go and just like clamp it. If you didn't get your whole like eye, you can always like readjust the position to curl it. I like to use a thinner mascara, so a brush that's going to be very thin, and also the consistency of the mascara is thin also, so you can build it up. This mascara is kind of like a coating type of mascara. This is like for the very end. If you do like multiple layers with this, it's going to get really thick. So you can see with the Clinique, the bristle is more spaced out, so you can definitely like get a really good even coat. This, like I said, you guys can see it's very it's kind of used as like a top coat. I'm gonna coat the bottom, and it's okay if you like get some on yourself because you can always just take it off with concealer. Don't forget to coat the top, and you want to start all the way at the bottom, but like don't obviously touch your skin. Just waiting until that dries. So after a few seconds have passed, I'm going to take my eyelash curler I'm gonna take the Clinique mascara again. Okay, I'm gonna wait until that dries. Sometimes the corner is like really hard to get, so I like to take the edge of the mascara. And while it's like semi-drying, I like to get my finger and like push up. So now taking my Tarte mascara, I'm gonna do the finishing touches and start at the bottom and move up. And I like to look downwards like this so I can really see the bottom of my lashes. So waiting for that to dry, what you can also do is and just curl it again. And now what I like to do is take some eyeliner and just draw under your waterline. This is going to make it look a lot fuller. This is just a black color. Just fill in like the gaps where your eyelashes are in your waterline a little bit. I'm just gonna do the bottom lashes. Do 2 coats of this mascara because after like you have the base on, it can get buildable. So I'm gonna wait until that dries. I'm curling it one last time. So now I'm just gonna clean up where all the mascara has rubbed around my eyes. All right, so that's how I do my mascara. And you guys can see before it looks a lot more naked, obviously, but you can see how much of a difference it makes when you layer 2 types of mascara. And definitely think about warming up your eyelash curler. Alright guys, so that is my mascara routine. I'll show you guys up close. You can see definitely makes a big difference. If I like look up like this, you can definitely see it. This eye, I feel like the lashes are a lot shorter. This side definitely longer, so that's why you can see it more on this eye. So let me know if you guys found this really helpful. And again, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.